Hey,
Hey guys.
we're in Zihuatanejo, and tonight we're going to show you the new streets of Centro. Let's go. So this is a Saturday night. It's the middle of summer, and it is insanely hot. But as you can see, while we're walking through the Paseo del Pescador and through downtown, there are a lot of people still here, even though it's middle of summer. So that's really great to see. It's very busy. A lot of new restaurants are opening up. Some of the older ones that you may notice from if you've been here before. The Paseo del Pescador that runs lateral to Playa Principal, that was finished it was finished a while back. I want to say about 2 years ago. And then just maybe 3 months ago, they started to continue that work onto the rest of kind of the Centro streets, which are all the pedestrian-only streets, or mostly pedestrian streets here in Centro. And there's about maybe 3 blocks by 3 blocks of streets. So first we'll kind of walk you through what was done a few years ago, which goes all the way out to the pier, and then we'll walk around and go kind of through the pedestrian streets. You may see, as I'm recording here, some of these statues that are placed kind of throughout the streets. I believe this comes from the possible origins of the name Zihuatanejo, and one of those is, the translation is place of women. So they have these statues, and these statues are to honor the women of Zihuatanejo. The sections of Centro that I'm showing are only the newly remodeled sections. Centro is much bigger than what I'm showing here, and there are a lot of great restaurants and bars and souvenir stores and clothing stores. There are drug stores, ice cream shops, all sorts of great stuff that are in the surrounding areas that are just a few seconds or minutes from the areas that I'm showing. So this is only this small section of Centro that I'm showing here in the recording. And you may, as you watch, see certain areas that there's not really a lot of stuff there. So you may say, oh, there's not really much here on this street that they've remodeled. But what I would say is there's not a lot here yet. Maybe soon there will be. And then another thing is that you may notice that the type of people that visit Zihuatanejo, it's a lot more what I would consider a more family friendly area. A lot of kids are here. It's not really a spring break vibe in Zihuatanejo. There are the bars and the discotheques and all of that stuff, but it's really more for families and things like that. So you may notice that there's just it kind of comes off as a very wholesome area, and I think that that is true. When people come here, what we tell them is that it is really safe. If you're walking Central or you're walking the beach, you're completely safe. You know, if you're not doing anything that you shouldn't be doing in Zihuatanejo, then you'll have no problems. No one's going to bother you. And in fact, people are really, really friendly here. So just something else to note. So as we continue through Centro, some of the things you may notice if you've been here before, and if you haven't, some of the things that they've, depending on your opinion, improved on are the lighting. There's a lot more lighting around palm trees. I believe they've taken out some plants, which is disappointing, but they have planted some new palm trees. Lots more lighting. There's certain areas before that the lighting was really poor, so that is nice to see. I think for just concerns from tourists about safety, that having just better lighting on some of the areas where there's only maybe one restaurant and there's just not as much traffic flow. The other thing that they've done is they've repaired some of the columns on the sidewalk that hold up the roofing. They've fixed some of the roofing so there's better protection from the sun and the rain. What else?
They also painted.
They've also painted a lot.
Yeah, they went along everywhere that they repaired the roads, the walkways. They have been painting all those buildings along the way as well and giving them a fresh coat of
color. And I could see that when we were watching them do the work that they were repairing or hopefully fixing some of the drainage issues. So when it rains heavily, there's better. A lot of times the water will come up and it'll almost get into buildings, and sometimes maybe even get into some of the stores. So hopefully that will correct some of those issues. My personal opinion is it does look a lot better now, and it's just much more inviting. The streets are a lot prettier in Centro, and I think tourists will really like it a lot.
You also notice that they have some new signage. So there's some new businesses that have a signage that it's lit up and it sticks out so that you can see any of the restaurants that you're looking for.
Yeah, it's a little more uniform, I think, and they're nicer signs. You know, often you're walking down the street, you can't tell if this is a restaurant, a bar, a candy shop.
Yeah, well, in the morning, when all of the garage doors are put down, it's really hard to tell what things are. But now with that signage, it's out there 24/7. So if you're in the morning and it's early or late at night, then you're like, oh, that's where it is, because the streets it's night and day, like literally.
Yeah.
When you're walking down the streets, you're like, this doesn't even look like Mercado.
And then one last thing you may notice is there are several buildings that have been completely torn down and they've rebuilt them, and they're putting in some newer stores, some more probably tourist friendly stores, but also it looks like they've got some apartments and they're building condos down here in Centro. So that's kind of cool to see everything that's happening, and especially it's neat to see that it's late July and it's a really happening place to be on a Saturday night. So it's exciting to see that Ziwa is not just a place for November to April, but the other 6 months that people are wanting to travel here. I will make another video of the new Centro as we get closer to the high season 2024-2025. Maybe I'll even break out my drone and try to get some cool overhead shots. And we'll also introduce all of the restaurants that are going to be open for the high season. But for the time being, hopefully this will give you an idea of how everything looks and gets you a little bit excited for the upcoming high season if you're not already here, or if you haven't booked your trip for the upcoming season. All right, that's Zihuatanejo Centro, the new Centro here at night. And we ordered some food from Mi Barrio. It's about ready. So we're going to get dinner and head back home, watch some Netflix.
Salud.
Salud. Thanks for watching. See you down here soon. Take care.
Cuando la llevaba al río. Baby,